What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Mr.Ssippi. So tonight we're doing a pinto beans and rice infused in a coconut milk, 2-part, 1-part water. And we're gonna do these homemade chicken nuggets. Yeah, homemade chicken nuggets. No McDonald's, no Chick-fil-A. All right, y'all. Here we go. All right, y'all, at this point right here, I done added my cup of water and my can of pinto beans, vegan pinto beans, that is. And my 1 bay leaf. And we're gonna let this thing simmer down, and we're gonna put that 1.5 cup of jasmine rice in this thing. Alright, y'all, and here's the story of the show. I took 2 pounds of ground chicken, minced some bell peppers and onions, and put my seasoning with them. You know, that Mr.Ssippi soul seasoning. And I made a wet and dry batter ratio because I want to get it extra crunchy. And the rest, y'all, you're going to see what it is. Man, this magic in the making, you heard me? Chick-fil-A what? McDonald's what? Y'all stop playing with me. For real. And there we go, y'all. Mr.Ssippi's famous pinto beans and rice. We have some sauteed string beans. I'm not gonna lie, I got them crescent rolls from Walmart. And we got 2 dipping sauces, y'all. And those signature, you see what they is. Chicken nuggets, y'all. Check this out. Believe that. It's for real. Show you right. Excuse me for the smacking, y'all. Don't even pause on the camera. There we go.